Hey everybody, it's the Tin Man here. And have I got the $1 million question solved, I believe. Let's just go through this and see what you think. You see these poles here? You see how they're nice and fresh, nice and green, all the way back that way too. I'm talking about on the right hand side of the road on this part. I'm going to do a zoomer. Not much of a zoomer, but and then this, and then all of that. We're talking, and then it goes for miles. It goes way down there to the dam, and it goes way, like I can't point as far as it probably goes. I think we might see some hillsides back in there. It goes beyond that to the city of Maple Ridge, and I think they might even be still replacing more. Well, I called the splitting as the issue, where I could see lots of old poles having splitting issues in them. They also get bows in them, and like where they start to bend and so on and so forth. So BC Hydro has come along and knocked this one out. For whatever reason, they didn't haul it away yet. And when it fell here, it probably just fell and conked on there and has been sitting here ever since probably part from that section there. So you can see what would have happened. See how it scuffed the ground? It rolled and went conk. So from that much of a conking velocity, it shouldn't be fracturing in the way that we're seeing is going on there. Plus, just look at this. Like that cut was so clear that there was no stress from the falling of this to this. So that is unstressed from the removal. See the hammer hits on the side of it and stuff? That's the most stress it probably had. The cutting of the saw and such. And look at how it is just, yeah, that is going to be the issue. They're able to put a disease into the wood or something. Or just the cracking alone and then the water getting in through the cracking. Maybe it's that same theory that we are finding with just our concrete stuff that I've talked about. That when they're cracking our concrete, it makes it so the water, they crack it at least deep enough so the water can start to penetrate down to the steel and then start putting the cancer disease in it. So... and that pole right there could be a bad one, because look at where we are. We're right on an awesome ravine here, so I hope I didn't get that house in the picture too much. I don't like to do that stuff, but it's just incredible, guys, what's going on here, I think. I think that is for sure a thing. So BC Hydro, man, yeah, I got some solutions, some ideas what you can do. Tin Man, peace out.